So welcome back guys. In this section we will going to discuss heap memory management in Linux operating system. So this is one of the topic which is of utmost important in Linux system programming domain. So in this section we will going to cover the following goals. We will discuss how malloc and free works. We will discuss internal fragmentation of heap memory by Linux operating system. We will try to understand the problem of fragmentation and what are the possible solutions to this problem. We will discuss the system calls which are related to heap memory management. And of course, we will prepare technical interview questions. So fasten your seat belts guys for another great drive into the world of Linux system programming. So going forward, let us discuss some basics regarding heap memory management. Heap memory of the process is the continuous part of virtual address space of the process from which a process claims and reclaims memory during runtime, and this process is well known as dynamic memory allocation. So glibc APIs to harness the functionality of heap memory management are the following functions or APIs. So glibc means the standard C library which is provided by Linux operating system. So this standard C library provides certain functions and APIs in order to manipulate heap memory of the process. So you must be familiar with malloc function or calloc function, free or realloc. You can see that all of these APIs are concerned with the heap memory management of the process. So note that malloc, calloc, free and realloc are not system calls, but they are standard APIs which is provided by the standard C library. System calls on the other hand, which is provided by Linux operating system to manipulate heap memory, are brk system call and sbrk system call. These system calls are actually related to the management of heap memory segment of the process. So unlike stack memory, now we already have done the PhD on stack memory. So unlike stack memory which is reclaimed back upon procedure return automatically, in case of heap memory it is programmer's responsibility to free the dynamic memory after usage, right? So malloc and calloc are the functions or APIs which is provided by standard C library, and these APIs are used to allocate a block of memory from heap segment of the process. Free on the other hand is a counterpart to malloc and calloc APIs. Free API is also provided by standard C library and it is used to release the memory back to the heap segment which was claimed by malloc or calloc like APIs. So as a system programmer, you must know how dynamic memory allocation works. And mind it, this chapter is one of the most important chapter of your life. Indeed, it is very common to expect questions in interviews from this chapter or from this topic. So please pay full attention to this section of the course. So thanks me later for covering heap memory management in such a great detail in this section of the course.